and we got a special surprise for you today. We are going to be taking a sneak peek at the new set releasing in a couple weeks here, Pokemon Sword and Shield Brilliant Stars. And by doing that, we're going to be looking at opening up a sealed booster box of 36 packs and seeing what we can get out of here and give you a little preview of what to expect out of this set. So really excited for this, and hopefully we can get some pretty big hits. Got 36 packs to crack open here and see what kind of cards we can get out of here of the new set. Open it up. There we go. There we go. Alright, first pack. Can we get lucky on the first pack here? Put this down like there. There we go. First pack, we got a white code, Milcery Reverse, and a Druddigon. And as you can see, there's the new artwork of Basic Energy. It's got a little sparkles on them, kind of. Not necessarily shiny like a holo, but a little more creative design on them. It's actually really refreshing to see that little change. A lot of cards people take for granted are the Basic Energy, so it's actually nice to see that. Alright, next one, we got another white border code. Comes with, there's our first one, Eevee Character Rare. How gorgeous Eevee is. So fun and playful. V-Search on the card. Search for your deck for up to 3 Pokemon V, reveal them, and put them in your hand. Then shuffle your deck. Not sure how much competitive this will see, but still a gorgeous card to see regardless. That's actually really cool. Awesome. Awesome to see that on our first pull from the Trainer Gallery set. Put that right off to the side there. Wondering what our first big hit's going to be. As we get a Reverse Cleansing Gloves and a Tornadus. There we go. First black border code. And let's do the Patrick. 1, 2, 3. There is something I'll show you off in just a second, but Weavile, Dusclops, Morgrem, Spiritomb, Axew, Impidimp, Magmar, Riolu, Reverse Piplup, and, how fitting, a Holo Empoleon out of the pack. And for those wondering what that one card I saw to the side, it is now included in booster packs here, V-Star counters. Nice, simple, basically same size and everything as a regular card, just included in the packs now instead of getting it from various different other products, kind of like Elite Trainer boxes and stuff like that, included them with the other mechanics. Ooh, back to back. Alright, Energy, Magma Basin, Crawdon, Ultra Ball, Sock, Corpfish, Gullet, Chimcho, Chimchar, Reversed, Cherubi, and full art Zamazenta V. There we go. First texture out of Brilliant Stars. That's actually really, the colors on this are beautiful. I actually really enjoy the blues on this a lot. How beautiful that is. Sweet. Sweet card. It's got Regal Stance. Once during your turn, you may discard your hand and draw 5 cards. If you use this ability, it does end your turn. So I expect to see that in some competitive play, but also a really cool card to collect in general. So there we go. I'll set that right off to the side there as we go. All right, we got our first texture. Let's see what else we can add to these. Packs are interesting to open. They're a little more tedious than other sets I've had to open. Next, Vibrava and an Escavalier reverse. What else we got here? Blunder, Luxio, Hitmontop, and a variety of commons there. Got Sock and Motham. Freshwater set got a reprint here. Gloria. Looking forward to pulling more of that. Be a sweet full art to see in the future. Next up, Staraptor and a Wormadam. Choice Belt. That's a brand new card. That's going to be seeing some competitive play. It's going to be a very good card for what it does. Alright, what do we got up for next year? Here we go. Black Border Code. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the pack trick. Energy, Vibrava, Staravia, Monferno, Gibble, Turtwig, Trapinch, Hiplup, Shroomish, Reverse Halucha, and Morpeko V. Angry Morpeko. That's actually really clean artwork too. You know, the lightning, the like static electricity coming off of it. Gnaw and Run and Hangry Spike Arts attack names. How fitting. How fitting for the angry Morpeko. We're about halfway through the first half of this box, so let's see what we can get more out of this. We're on to a good start. Manaphy, Lapras, and as you can see, that V-Star card will be in the right behind the rare spot in your packs, if you end up getting them in your packs. So, another white border code, reverse Gibble, and an Ice Cube. There we go, black border code. Let's see what we got out of this. Do a little pack trick. 4 from the back into the front. Energy. Voice Belt, Staravia. Reverse Gabite, and a Entei V. Really looking forward to seeing these. These are actually really cool. Really cool cards. Enjoying seeing some legendaries in there. Getting some love. Really clean. Entei's probably my favorite legendary dog, hands down. I know a lot of Suicune lovers out there, but Entei's up there for me. Alright, another black border code. Ice, Energy, Kindler, Brimplub, Sharon's, Axew, Impidimp, Magmar, Riolu, Burmy, character rare? Never mind. Oh, it's part of the trainer gallery set. Gloria full art, that's right. My mistake, and look at that. That is pretty sweet. Getting that in the reverse hollow spot, you got a full art Gloria trainer. Behind that, a hollow Torterra. Alright, we're getting some love here on this booster box. 2 textures so far. 2 cards out of the trainer gallery set. There we go. There we go. Burmy and Electivire out of this next pack. Fairy and a Grimmsnarl and another V-Star counter. Quite the handfuls of them. Seems might get a whole playset in a whole booster box. Next up, we got Reverse Magma Basin, Mewtwo, see here. Impidimp Reverse and a Manaphy. That's going to be seeing some competitive play as well. Basically just like a reprint of Mew that had the same type of ability to prevent all damage to your bench Pokemon attacks by attacks from your opponent's Pokemon. So that's going to be huge. It's going to be huge. As a non-holo rare. Let's continue. Alright, another Black Border Code. Can keep up the hot streak here. Little Turbo, Grotto, Prinplup, Minccino, Baltoy, Snorunt, Nosepass, Milcery, Reverse Haxorus, and a Hollow Dusknoir. That is really cool artwork there too. Really clean. I'm liking that. I'm liking that a lot. Really good. It's always nice to see some holo rare artwork getting some love. Alright, we are down to the last two packs on this first half. Back to back. FA Master, Gabite, Fairy, Bidoof, Electabuzz, Hawlucha, Weasel, Reverse Army, and Lumineon V. A lot of people are looking forward to this. There's also an alternate version of the Lumineon V. That one, that's a really beautiful card when I saw the scans. I'm really looking forward to that. But Lumineon V will be really good. It should hold its value pretty well, I'd imagine, with its Lumineous Sign ability. Alright, last pack of the first half here. White Border Code. Reverse Execute, and a Wormadam.
Okay, hold on. Before we get into the second half of this box, let me tell you how you can buy Brilliant Stars up to a week before it's released. If you join the Discord using the link in the description, you'll be notified when we start our live breaks for the set. Okay, now let's get back to the second half of the box.
If there's anything else exciting. Alright, last half here. Let's see if we can get something more exciting out of this. Waiting for those Charizard V's and V-Stars, Arceus, some other fuller trainers. Maybe we can get something here in this pack. Barry, Clang, Riolu, Starly, Spiritomb, Purloin, Milcery, Reverse Collapse Stadium, and a Whimsicott V. There we go. Got that Fluff Gets in the Way attack and Cotton Guard. Pretty much a standard for Whimsicott. Alright. See what else we can get out of this. Ooh, another one, back to back. There we go. That one almost messed that up. Because that takes place with the energy. Fractured, Marnie's Pride, Magmar, Staryu, Burmy, Sock, Cherubi, Umbreon V. There's a hit. That's a big one that a lot of people are looking after. Umbreon V and the Trainer Gallery set. That was number 22 out of 30. That is huge. Huge. Actually, probably one of my favorite cards in that subset. Then to follow it up, we got, oh, Rainbow Rare Sharon's Care. What a pack. That's what I'm talking about. That's a hit. A loaded pack. I'm excited to see more and more of those. Good to know. You can get multiple good hits out of a single pack. Actually, I forgot. Let's put Gloria over here. You're part of the subset. Sharon's hair all sleeved up here. There we go. Alright, we still got a lot more packs to go. White Code. Reverse Sneasel. Fable. Let's see. What else can we add to this? Minccino, Carablast, Weasel, Alucha, Throw, Reverse Hitmontop, and Hollow Infernape. We got all the starter evolution hollows. Okay, Empoleon, Torterra, and Infernape now. Actually kind of cool to see. It's a pretty nice artwork on Infernape too. Like I said, they're really working on hollow rare artwork, I swear, and turning out pretty well. That's a white coat. I don't need to necessarily do that. So let's see. Dusknoir reverse and a Breloom. Let's see. Gotta add one more good hit here. Gotta have one more. Ooh, is this the one? Energy, Claydol, Acerolas, Starly, Shroomish, Piplup, Turtwig, Reverse, Friends and Galar, and a Raikou V. Here we go. Like I said, we got Entei before, now we got Raikou. Really enjoy that artwork on that as well. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ultra rares so far of the normal. 3 subset. Trapinch, Ice Cube. Move off most of the bulk to the side here. Let's see here. Come on, we need one more good hit out of here. Nothing out of that one. Reverse Minccino and a Magmortar non-hollow. And let's see. There we go. Black border code. Pack trick. Port from the back to the front. Roseanne's backup. There we go. That's right. It has a bunch of different options to choose from. Choice Belt, Grimer, Sneasel, Doof, Electabuzz, Timeco, Octillery character. Rare from the trainer gallery. That's really cool too. You can see all the hollow on that. So much artwork on this. It's actually really cool to see. And then a hollow barrel. Get this sleeved up real quick because that's actually really cool. Really cool artwork on Octillery. Really clean. I like that. I like that a lot. Not as much as the Umbreon, but you know what? Still really nice to see. Get that sleeved up. Alright, a few packs to go here. Farfetch'd and a Heatran. Another white code. Crawdaunt, Liepard. Going streaking now. Oh, I spoke too soon! Black and gold, Rapid Strike, Urshifu VMAX. Sheesh! That is sick. Trainer Gallery 30 out of 30. Wow. That is beautiful. That's actually really exciting to see. The non-hollow Alcremie in the back there, but wow. Wow. That's actually really, really cool. I know a lot of people weren't loving them at first, but I think these are some of the coolest things Pokemon has done with their card arts, is turning them into the black and gold variants. That's actually really clean. That's super cool. So that is 5 now. Might make sure I'm not mistaken here. Yep, that is 5 from the Trainer Gallery set. Can we make it a 6th? Can we make it a 6th? Black code. Back trick. What can we add here? I think I see an ultra rare coming up. What do we got though? Clink, Reverse, Cynthia's Ambition, and A full art Sharon's Care to go with the Rainbow Rare. All the texture you can ask for. Full art Sharon's Care. That's actually really clean too. Very crisp. Really nice. Really nice artwork on that too. Very clean. Scoot those down slightly. What do we got? 3 packs to go here. 3 packs to go in our booster box here. We're showing a little preview for you guys here on YouTube. Also a mock. One more. Double Turbo, Shinx, Impidimp, Golett, Castform, Chimchar, Reverse Double Turbo, and a Hollow Garchomp. Alright, last pack, Shaman artwork. Do we have a Shaman V-Star coming our way? Let's see what we can get. Last pack. Got a white code. Pretty busted box we got here. Reverse Muck and Wormadam on the last one there. Pretty ridiculous. I'm not gonna lie. I've never seen anything quite like this. We have 5 textures. We got the Secret Rare Rapid Strike Urshifu VMAX out of the Trainer Gallery set. Full Art Gloria. Full Art Zamazenta V. 2 Sharon's Care. 1 Rainbow Rare. 1 Full Art. So like I said, and then we got 5 regular Vs, 6 Hollow Rares, and a few other from the Trainer Gallery set too. So hopefully all of them keep up just like this and have the same kind of pull rate. If you enjoy this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Comment down below. Let me know what card you're looking forward to pulling out of the Brilliant Stars set. And if you enjoy these kind of videos, make sure you subscribe.